The Peugeot 5008 key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. To replace it, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a prying tool. Avoid metal to prevent scratches. First, ensure your vehicle is off to prevent accidental lockouts. Carefully pry open the seam of the key fob. You can often start with a fingernail, then use the tool to gently separate the two halves of the case. Be cautious to avoid damaging the plastic. With the case open, you'll see the battery compartment. Once the fob is open, slide out the old CR2032 battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure it sits flush in the compartment. Next, snap the key fob case back together, making sure it's securely closed. Test the functionality by pressing the buttons to confirm the lights flash or the locks engage. If it's a smart key variant and loses sync, you may need reprogramming at a dealership. For added protection, consider using a sealed aftermarket case, especially in humid climates, to prevent water damage.